Ever heard the term spiff thrown around in a sales meeting and felt completely lost? You're not alone. Spiff might sound like something straight out of a 1920s gangster flick, but in the world of marketing, it's a powerful tool for boosting sales. So, what exactly is a spiff, and how can it supercharge your marketing efforts? What is spiff? Spiff stands for Sales Performance Incentive Fund. Essentially, it's a bonus program companies offer to their sales teams to encourage them to sell specific products or services, achieve certain sales goals, or go the extra mile with customer service. Think of it as a way to light a fire under your sales reps and get them motivated to bring in the big bucks, and commissions, of course. How do spiffs work? Spiffs come in all shapes and sizes. Here are a few common structures. Increased commission rates, sell a specific high-margin product and get a bigger slice of the pie. Flat bonuses, hit your monthly sales target and get a cool $100 or more bonus on top of your regular commission. Product incentives, sell X number of units and score a free gadget like a new smartwatch or headphones. Travel rewards, achieve a lofty sales goal and earn a luxurious trip to a tropical paradise. The key thing to remember is that spiffs are all about rewarding specific behaviors that drive sales. Why do companies use spiffs? Companies use spiffs for a few key reasons. Boost sales of new products. A spiff can be a great way to incentivize your team to push a brand new product line and get it into customer hands. Clear slow-moving inventory. Got a warehouse overflowing with a specific product? A spiff can motivate sales reps to clear out that stock and free up valuable space and cash flow. Increase customer satisfaction. Spiffs can be designed to reward excellent customer service, ensuring your reps go above and beyond to keep clients happy. Motivate your team. A well-designed spiff program can inject a healthy dose of competition and excitement into your sales team, pushing everyone to perform at their best. Are spiffs right for your company? Spiffs can be a powerful tool, but they're not a magic bullet. Here are some things to consider before implementing a spiff program. Cost. Spiffs can eat into your profits, so make sure you design a program with a clear budget and measurable goals. Internal competition. Spiffs can create unhealthy competition within your sales team. Ensure everyone has a fair shot at earning the rewards. Long-term motivation. Don't rely solely on spiffs to motivate your team. Focus on building a culture of sales excellence with a combination of intrinsic and extrinsic rewards. Examples of spiffs in action. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of spiffs in action. Telecom company offers a spiff for selling high-speed internet bundles alongside phone plans. Software company rewards sales reps for exceeding their quota for a new cloud-based software product. Car dealership provides bonuses for selling extended warranties on new car purchases. The takeaway: spiffs can be a valuable tool in your marketing arsenal, but it's crucial to use them strategically. By understanding their purpose, designing a program that aligns with your goals, and avoiding potential pitfalls, you can leverage spiffs to drive sales, motivate your team, and ultimately achieve marketing success. Call to action. Have you ever been part of a spiff program? Share your experiences, good or bad, in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing insights delivered straight to your inbox. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.